In today's video, we're going to be taking the door panels off of my 2004 G35 Coupe. It's actually very, very simple to do. You will need a screwdriver with the Phillips head. I am using a drill. I got this plastic piece here. That's going to be to take off like these little plastics that are all over the door to get to the screws. I am going to be taking off the mirror. And for the mirror, you will need a number 10. First thing we're going to start off with is these two pieces. We got one piece right here. We have a screw in there, and then now we need to take off this piece. There we go. I went from the bottom. That was a sweet spot, it looks like. I'm gonna work my way up. I'm not the most gentle person, so if I can do this and not break it, you could definitely do it. Easy. Perfect. Now the next part. Let's take off the screws. You have a screw right here. We're gonna take that guy off. Oh shit, don't do that. There we go. Start off with the top one. Now the last thing to do here is literally to pry the door off, which is actually not as hard as you think. What I'm gonna do, without even like looking under, just feel where it separates from the metal and the plastic, kind of stick this guy in there. Easy. Just a little bit of force. Don't go crazy with the force, you know, but just do that, and then it's easy from here. All you need to do is all right, there was one little piece here. Forgot about that. So we got this piece off. Now we lift. Easy. Nice. Cool. So that's how you take off the door. Let's see what else we have. Okay, so it's actually really simple now that we're over here. So we have a connector down there, a connector right here, and we have the locking here, which that is easy. So, oh, perfect. I'm not going to take all that off again, because my whole goal right now is to just do this. There we go. Perfect. Now I can take off this mirror and paint it. So yeah, that's how you take off the door. That's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, or if I left something out, or if this was a terrible video, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.